Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. In this video, we'll be talking about a market leader with strong business fundamentals and cash-rich balance sheet which should be accumulated on all corrections. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company in question is Container Corporation of India Limited, which is available at Rs 607.30 and the face value for it is 5. The symbol for it is CONCOR. Now Container Corporation of India Limited, which is also called CONCOR, is the leading rail freight transporter and has delivered strong operational performance in the recent few quarters. Higher volumes along with cost efficiencies have aided financial performance. There is an expectation for the momentum to continue as the recent changes in business model and strategy will further fortify the company's market leadership. Completion of the dedicated freight corridor is another long-term trigger that needs to be watched out for. Now in Q1 FY19, revenue increased 7% year-on-year to Rs 1568 crores. This was aided by higher volumes across both segments as well as service exports from India scheme incentive related income of Rs 70 crores. Operating margin stood at 24.9% compared to 23% in the year-ago period. The management has realigned its business model and strategy and decided to offer 45 days of free storage for import containers as well as export port entry containers. The changes have been implemented across its 46 EXIM terminals starting September. While these changes would impact Concor's top line as it earns around Rs 250 crores from storage and warehousing facilities, it stands to gain from the incremental volume. Also, revision in huge haulage charges should offset the decline in storage revenue. The new business strategy reinforces the management's focus on gaining further market share by utilizing idle capacities and also emerging as an integrated container rail solutions provider. Now, earlier this year, the management said its plans to diversify its business by foraying into coastal shipping with an exclusive business partner. The company invited tenders to hire 2 container ships for 10 years to start its coastal shipping business. Now the 190-kilometer railway line between Ateli in Haryana and Fulera in Rajasthan, which forms part of the 1500-kilometer long Western Dedicated Freight Corridor, has commenced operations from August 15. Extension of the railway line from Rewari to Ateli and Fulera to Marwar is expected to be completed by December. Concor has an inland container depot in Rewari, which is one of the major junctions on the Western Dedicated Freight Corridor. This will have a positive impact on Concor's business, but the entire benefits will only be realized once both the eastern and western freight corridors turn operational in 2020. Now, the continuous rise in crude oil prices along with the depreciation in rupee has had a spiraling effect on domestic petrol and diesel prices. Rail transportation offers a more economical alternative in comparison to road transportation, and this could see some shift in volumes in the current market environment. The increase in transportation cost is expected to have a positive impact on Concor's domestic freight operations. Now, increased economic activity will also keep the domestic volumes strong, while the improvement in international trade dynamics continues to support EXIM volumes. The management has guided 10 to 12% volume growth for FY19. There is an expectation for the revenue and profit growth to be marginally higher on account of price hikes, cost rationalization, market share gains, and economies of scale. Now, Concor has strong business fundamentals and a cash-rich balance sheet. In terms of valuation, the stock is trading at FY19 estimated price to earnings multiple of 24 times on account of its market leadership. The company is expected to be a steady compounder over the next couple of years. Investors are recommended to accumulate this stock as the company has strong revenue and profit visibility. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. We will be providing the link to this video's source in the description section. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so.